Let me share the screen. Okay. Is it visible? The screen is visible. Sairam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is change in profit sharing ratio. And I am using whiteboard to explain this. Okay. Is the whiteboard visible? Sairam.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this I will continue. Okay. Sorry. Whiteboard. Then come back. What happened? Okay. Create new. Okay. This is the new whiteboard. So there is the uh, measures volume theory and about I cannot do I don't have this text okay. This is
सर थर्ड वाला
जी
ऑप्शन
हाँ सैराम
थर्ड वाला ऑप्शन देखिए
थर्ड वाला
थर्ड वाला ऑप्शन देखिए सर यस सर
कौन सा वाला
बैकग्राउंड थर्ड सर बैकग्राउंड
थर्ड
ये
बैकग्राउंड आ रहा है
लेफ्ट यस सर
बैकग्राउंड में क्या करना है ये रखें ये तो वो
जैसे
है
आपकी
टेक्स्ट है it is
जी
not
सर
needed background is not needed whiteboard is
सर
needed
रेड कर जाएगा
create new and I want text okay and this text I have to enlarge it then we will work on it okay now is it visible
यस
यस
सर
सर
this board is visible so now we can work on this okay so what we are discussing about change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners okay so this is our topic change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners what we have discussed till now topics already discussed okay. What topics we have discussed? Number one, valuation of goodwill. Okay. Then number two, calculation of sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. Okay. Okay. So before going ahead, I want to know valuation of goodwill. So what we discuss in valuation of goodwill? Who will answer? Parth. Parth, are you there?
यस सर
Yes. So what we discuss in valuation of goodwill?
सर सर इन वेल सर एक मिनट
Karthik. Karthik Vijayan.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have
Karthik is
did.
there. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, sir.
So what did we
Sir,
discuss in valuation of goodwill? Okay, please answer. Anjali, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So what did we discuss in valuation of goodwill?
Sir, we discussed adjustment entry.
No, valuation of goodwill means calculation of goodwill. What we discuss in valuation of goodwill? That means methods of valuation of goodwill. है ना? Methods of valuation of goodwill. Who will explain these methods? Which methods have we discussed? Yes, please. Anjali, which are the methods of valuation of goodwill?
Sir, average profit method,
Average profit method. Okay, good. Then next one is
super profit method,
Aji.
super profit method,
Okay, good. Super profit method. Then
and capitalization method.
capitalization method. So these methods we have discussed and we have solved some questions also. Okay. Then we discuss calculation of sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. Okay. Now Siddharth will tell me the formula of sacrificing ratio. What is the formula of Siddharth? Sacrificing ratio is equal to
sir, old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio.
very good, very good. Old minus new, है ना? Old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Anurag, what is the formula of gaining ratio? Anurag, are you there, Anurag?
New ratio minus old ratio.
Okay, very good, excellent. New minus old, है ना? New ratio, new profit sharing ratio minus old ratio. What we are discussing now, by this, what we will find out, by using these formulas, we will find out gain, what we will get gain oblique sacrifice, that we will find, है ना? What we will find by using these formulas, either we will get gain or some partners or one partner will be gaining and some partner or some partners will be sacrificing. That we have discussed. Is it clear to all of you? Tell me loudly. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This much
sir.
we have, so this much we have discussed. So we have to find out, and I have already discussed that we can calculate one of these two. Either we can calculate old ratio or we can calculate a new ratio. So whatever you are calculating, that will be positive and other will be negative. Suppose we are calculating sacrificing ratio, then a positive answer is coming, that is a sacrifice. If some partner's answer is coming negative, that means it is a gain. Okay. So similarly, if you calculate gaining ratio, all right, gaining ratio also can be calculated. So if someone's answer is positive, that means gain, and if the answer is coming negative, that means sacrifice. Okay, this concept is clear this much.
Yes, sir.
So now I discuss with you that we have to make adjustments for three things when there is a change in profit sharing ratio. Okay. Again, I am writing adjustments needed at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. है ना? Adjustment needed at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. Okay, so what is the first adjustment? Number A. What is the first adjustment? That is adjustment for goodwill. Adjustment for goodwill. Why do we need to make the adjustment for goodwill? As we have discussed here, when there is a change in profit sharing ratio, what happens? Ultimate consequence is that one partner will be getting more share from the other partner. And one partner will be gaining, other partner will be sacrificing. So here you can understand like this, that the partner who is gaining, he is purchasing that share from the partner who is sacrificing. Is it clear? The partner who is gaining more share of profit, he is basically purchasing that share of profit from whom? From the partner who is sacrificing. Okay. So for this gain, as we go to the market and buy some product and we pay price for that, same thing is happening here. This partner who is gaining share of profit, basically he is purchasing or buying that additional share of profit partner. Okay, so this is the price to be paid by through capital accounts for this sacrifice and gain. So the partner who is gaining will pay that money to the partner who is sacrificing. So that will be calculated on the basis of uh, goodwill. So the formula is how much money will be paid, goodwill multiplied by sacrifice oblique gain. That much amount will be paid. Is it clear? For example, uh, um, the goodwill of the firm is suppose 2 lakh rupees. Goodwill of the firm is rupees 2 lakh, and we have calculated gaining ratio that X has gain 2 by 10. A's gain is 2 by 10. It means that is equal to 40,000 rupees. This is the 40,000 rupees. Suppose there are only two partners A and B, and A has gained 2 by 10 from B. It means that 40,000 rupees who will pay? A will pay to B. This is the process. That's way, in this way we decide how much amount will be paid by gaining partner to the sacrificing partner. And this is not paid in cash. This adjustment is made by passing an entry, and that adjustment entry is what? Entry is gaining partners capital oblique current account debit to sacrificing partners capital oblique current account. For sacrifice or gain. This which we have calculated already, how much sacrifice or gain, that much amount will be transferred to the partners who is sacrificing, and this will be debited to the gaining partner, and it will be credited to the sacrificing partner. So indirectly their balance, gaining partners capital balance will be reduced, and sacrificing partners capital balance will increase. So this entry will be passed. If there is a fluctuating capital account, then we will use capital account word here. If the capital accounts are fixed, then we will use current account in place of the capital account. Is it clear? All of you understand this? We have already discussed fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account in first chapter. Okay. Yes, tell me please. I can't see you. I can't see anything now. I am blind, so I am working on the screen. So am I audible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding it?
Yes, sir.
Now it is better or it is not? Is it as bad as compared to previous method that we were using?
Yes, sir, it is better.
So now you are getting text at the same time. So this much you have understood. So what I have
Yes,
said
sir.
that what steps we have to follow before this? We have to follow what steps? Steps are what? First step is what? Number one, find out value of firm's goodwill if not given. It may be given already, then we don't need to calculate the value of goodwill. But if it is not given, then we will be given some information, and we will be asked to find out the value of goodwill using any one of the three methods: average profit, super profit, or capitalization method. Okay, is it clear? So this is the first step. We have to find out value of firm's goodwill if not given. Number two, what we have to do? Find out sacrificing oblique gaining ratio, है ना? This is the second step. Gaining ratio. And third one is the find out amount of goodwill to be paid by gaining partner or partners to sacrificing partner. Okay, gaining partner to sacrificing partner using this formula. This is the formula, है ना? Is equal to, by this formula you can calculate goodwill is equal to, goodwill means how much amount will be paid will be calculated by this formula, goodwill into sacrifice or gain. Then number 4 is the this, pass the adjustment entry. This is the adjustment entry which we have, you can see on the screen, that gaining partners capital account or current account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account. Okay. If you have any doubt up to this, you can ask me. So one more step we have to take here, that maybe sometimes we are given goodwill, already goodwill is giving in the books of the firm, existing goodwill, है ना? Existing goodwill, because this self-created goodwill cannot continue in the books of accounts. So if some self-created goodwill is there, then it must be written off. So write it off, है ना? Write it off. No, entry will be, what will the entry for this? All partners capital account debit. All partners capital oblique current accounts debit to goodwill account. It will be done in the old ratio. It will be written off in the old profit sharing ratio. So this is the all treatment about the goodwill. If we are asked to, if some already goodwill is existing in the books of the firm, some goodwill is already existing, that will be written off at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. So that will not be appearing in the balance sheet of the firm. Sometimes what is possible that you are asked to continue with the existing balance of goodwill. Okay, then no problem in that case also. What we can do, if we are asked to continue or not to write off existing goodwill, है ना? Not to write off existing goodwill. Otherwise, basically it is compulsory to write it off, because accounting standard number 26 says that goodwill account cannot be raised in the books of the firm if until some value in terms of money or money's worth is paid for it. So if it is a self-created goodwill, it must be definitely written off. But whatever goodwill is shown in the books of the firm, that may be purchased goodwill also, and it is allowed that purchased goodwill can continue in the books of the firm. Okay, so purchased goodwill can be shown in the books of the firm because it is purchased by paying money or money's worth. So that goodwill can continue. So there is no problem for us. What we have to do, we have to follow the same process as we are doing. Only thing will be that we have to do what? We have to use this formula, present goodwill, present value of goodwill, present value of goodwill minus existing value. Okay. Then suppose what happens, I don't understand present value, what I am saying, what is the meaning of present value here? Present value means the goodwill we have calculated, that we have discussed here. So the goodwill be calculated, or the goodwill given to us, that the new value goodwill of the firm is valued at this price. Suppose present goodwill is given, or we calculated goodwill rupees 2 lakh. This is the value of goodwill which we calculated. So this is the present goodwill, and there was some goodwill already existing in the books of the firm. Existing goodwill was there, and it is not to be written off. If there is a clear instruction, then only. If no instruction is given, we must write it off. कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है तो हमको क्या करना, राइट ऑफ करना है इसको. ओनली इफ इट इज स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन्ड इन द क्वेश्चन दैट existing goodwill should not be written off, then only we will continue with this. So what we will do, we will subtract the value of existing goodwill from old new price of goodwill. That means here 2 lakh minus 20,000. Okay, so that means 1,80,000. This is the value that is to be treated. So when, are you understanding? In this question, suppose we have to find out sacrificing or gaining, how much amount to be paid, how much amount to be received by a partner, then it will be calculated not on the basis of 2 lakh rupees, but on the basis of 1,80,000 rupees. So this goodwill has already been recorded in the books of the firm. So we will record the value at 2 lakh, then it will be double recording. So existing value will be subtracted, and then whatever adjustment will be made, that will be made by this amount that comes after subtracting the existing goodwill. Ante will be same, all other things all same, all will be same, no change in that process. Only thing what we have to do, if existing, most importantly what we have to do, as far as possible, we should not continue with this existing goodwill, except a clear instruction is given in the question that existing goodwill must continue in the books of the firm. In that case only we can continue, otherwise we will definitely write it off. By passing this entry, all partners capital account debit or current account debit individually to goodwill account, like A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to goodwill account in the old ratio. But if we are asked to continue with the existing goodwill, not to write it off, in that case what we will do, we will find out the value of goodwill as we do, and whatever value comes out of that value, first we will subtract this existing goodwill, then this sacrifice or gain will be adjusted on the basis of this remaining amount. That is the only change that we have to follow. Am I clear? Sairam.
Yes, sir.
So these are all questions regarding goodwill, treatment of goodwill. Okay. So you write one question, then we will go ahead. Okay. Why to waste the time in writing the question? Do you all have this T.S. Grewal's book? T.S. Grewal. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now open. I am indicate giving you question number, and you open the book. Just open the chapter change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. So now let us come to the question number. Okay. Let me come. Okay. To open the question number 7 in my book. This is the new book, recent edition 2020. So it may be different number in your book. In my book, it is 7 number. Question number 7. Mandeep, Vinod, and Abbas. Sairam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
got it? मिल गया सबको? अच्छा, सारे लोग के पास है क्या बुक? है देखो, किसके पास नहीं है वो बताओ. Who does not have this book? Sairam.
Sir,
I means who? I can't identify you by your voice. Please tell me name.
sir, sir, sir,
I can विश्वास. विश्वास है ना? ओके. और किसके पास नहीं है विश्वास के अलावा?
Yes, sir.
साईराम.
सर संध्या राजपूत.
संध्या के पास भी नहीं है. ठीक है. और
सर संध्या.
हाँ, संध्या के पास नहीं है, बोला ना, संध्या के पास नहीं है. और सबके पास है? ठीक है. तो आप इसको रफ में जल्दी से लिख लीजिए. There are 3 partners, Sandeep, Vinod, and Abbas. Okay. Are you writing, Sandhya? Others don't need to write. Those who have the book and have got the question, they don't need to write. But those who don't have the book or have not got the question, they should write. So yes, Vishwas, are you writing?
सर नेट पे पीडीएफ से सर देख रहा हूँ सर, उसमें है क्वेश्चन, 7 क्वेश्चन है सर ये.
हाँ, उसमें मिल जाएगा. वो आपका अपना तरीका कहाँ ढूंढोगे, वो अलग तरीका. क्वेश्चन मिल गया क्या? देखो
सर मिल गया सर.
मिल गया. विनोद, मनदीप, विनोद एंड अब्बास. संध्या, हैव यू गॉट इट?
यस सर, मिल गया.
संध्या, आपको ही मिला गया? संध्या को नहीं मिला शायद. संध्या, कैन यू हियर मी?
यस सर, मैं बस 1 मिनट सर ढूंढ रही हूँ.
तब तक मैं इसमें एक को नीचे ले जाता हूँ और पेज को. ओके. Ajram? Sairam? Siddharth, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start solving. So in this question, there are three partners. Okay. M, when Mandeep means M, Vinod and B. Vinod and Abbas, A. These are the three partners, and their old profit sharing ratio is given. That is, what is the old profit sharing ratio? 3:2:1. Okay. This is the old profit sharing ratio, and what they decided to share profits equally. It means what? It means that new ratio is equal to, what will be the new ratio? 1:1:1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. New ratio is 1:1:1. So this is the old ratio.
3:2:1.
To 1. And we are instructed that goodwill of the firm will be valued, okay, at 3 years purchase of average profits of first. So goodwill is equal to what? Which method we have to use? Average profit method. Okay. And formula of goodwill in average profit method is what? Goodwill is equal to average profit into agreed number of years purchase. Am I right or wrong? Am I Anurag? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Sir, right, sir.
Okay, so what we have to do first? Average profit. Average profit we have to find out is equal to total of profits divided by total number of years. Total number of years. Okay. So now, what is the total profit? We can add this all. Who has added? किसने ऐड किया इतना कितना हुआ टोटल प्रॉफिट देखिए
Sir, sir,
6 lakh.
मेरा
6
अपना है,
lakh.
sir, tell.
6 lakhs. Okay. Total profit is 6 lakh and total number of years is 5. है ना? 5 divided by 5 is equal to
So the
1,20,000.
1,20,000.
This will be the average profit. 1,20,000. Now goodwill is equal to, what will be the goodwill? We have to find out on the basis of 3 years purchase of average profit. So it will be multiplied by 3. है ना? Multiplied by 3 is equal to 3,60,000. Any doubt to anyone in this?
No, sir.
Sairam. Okay. Now what we have to do? Calculation of sacrificing oblique gaining ratio. Okay. Calculation of sacrificing oblique gaining ratio. So which we are calculating sacrificing ratio, so we will get gaining also a petty negative. है ना? So sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Now A is sacrifice.
No, sir, M sacrifice.
Okay, sorry, M. Not A. M sacrifice. M sacrifice is equal to old ratio was 3/6, 3:1, है ना? 3/6
Yes, sir.
minus
1/3.
1/3. You take the LCM. What will be the LCM?
18.
Sir, 6.
18 ले
6
लो हाँ, 18 LCM मान लो 18 इसका ना, पूरा अभी सॉल्व नहीं करो, 18 ही ले लेते हैं, ठीक है डायरेक्ट। तो 18 से क्या आ गया, इज इक्वल टू 9 माइनस
6.
कितना आएगा,
6
9 माइनस 6 है ना,
यस सर
9 माइनस 6, 9 माइनस 6 इक्वल टू 3/18
3/18.
3/18 पॉजिटिव आ रहा है इसका आंसर, पॉजिटिव है तो क्या होगा, सेक्रीफाइस है
Sacrificing ratio.
ना, पॉजिटिव आएगा तो जो हम निकाल रहे हैं वही मानेंगे, सेक्रीफाइस है। अब देखिए दूसरा कौन है, सेकंड पार्टनर इज बी, बी सेक्रीफाइस, okay, B sold ratio is how much, B sold
2/6.
ratio is
2/6
2 by
minus 1/3
2/6 minus
1/3.
1/3
1/3, okay, 2/6 minus 1/3, LCM सेम आएगा 18 है ना, 6 3 जा सॉरी 6 3 जा 18, 3 2 जा 6 है ना, तो 6 आ गया इज इक्वल टू 6
6 minus 6 आएगा.
6 minus
6 minus 6
6.
6 minus 6 है ना, okay, is equal to what
0
what is there, 0, neither sacrifice nor gain, neither sacrifice nor gain है ना। Now come to the next partner, that is the A. His sacrifice
Yes, sir.
is equal to 1/6 minus
minus 1/3
1/3.
1/3. So LCM will be same 18. Okay. So
3
6 3 जा 18, 3 कितना आया,
3 minus 6.
3
सर 3/18 गेन इसका
3 minus कितना इधर
6
3 minus 6, sir.
6 है ना, 6 is
यस
equal
सर
to
3/18
minus
3/18
Minus 3/18.
3/18 आ रहा है इसका ना, माइनस 3/18 आ रहा है, मतलब क्या हो गया,
ये
ये गेन हो गया, इसका नेगेटिव आ रहा है तो
gain.
क्या हो गया, गेन हो गया। इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? So first partner, that is
Yes.
M, is sacrificing and A is gaining. It means what? A will pay the price for this gain to M, है ना? And that amount will be calculated on the basis of goodwill of the firm. So now I'm writing amount payable by A to M, है ना, for his sacrifice, है ना,
Yes, sir.
is equal to the goodwill of firm is 3,60,000 into what is the sacrifice of
Into
1/3 है ना, 1/3,
3/18
sorry 1/18, 3/18, sorry 3/18, 3/18. So what is the
3/18
amount? 60,000 I think,
6,000.
कितना आएगा है ना, amount
6,000,
will
sir.
be 60,000.
60,000
This is the amount which A will pay to M. So what will be the adjustment entry? Adjustment entry will be
Past
okay.
capital account debit
That is
to Mandeep
A's capital
settle.
account debit and your past capital account debit.
Debit to Mandeep capital account.
Past
M's
capital
capital
account
account.
debit. It's amount 60,000 to M capital account, M whatever it is, है ना, M capital account. That is also 60,000. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे 60,000. Being adjustment for goodwill. Adjustment made for goodwill. Okay, right or not? आंसर क्या दिया है उसमें? देखो सेम दिया है क्या?
Sir, right.
Yes, sir. Right.
अच्छा, कितने लोगों को समझ में आ गया? देखो ये पूरा सारे स्टेप आ गए इसमें. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू
Yes,
फाइंड
sir.
आउट वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल इफ नॉट गिवन, और कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, गेनिंग रेशो निकाल सकते हो पहले या गुडविल निकाल सकते हो, दैट इज नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू find out value of goodwill, then we have to find out gaining or sacrificing ratio, then we have to find out this amount payable by gaining partner to the sacrificing partner, then we have to pass this adjustment entry for goodwill. Okay, okay, so now I am stopping, time is already over, so we will meet after some time in the next class. So I am stopping sharing. Okay, and I am coming back to the meet that is here. Okay, so now you can leave the meeting, I will leave at last. Okay.